Hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am CEO and Chief Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we will look into one of the important topic, and that is a practical topic. What is the importance of Sitz Bath in piles, and what is the right way to do the Sitz Bath if you are suffering from piles? Before going to the Sitz Bath, how to do the Sitz Bath properly and why you need to do. So let us understand few basic things about piles. See, this is the normal anal canal, and you can see this is the upper part of the anal canal, this is the lower part of the anal canal. So what happens is the anal canal, especially the lower part of the anal canal, is richly supplied by nerves. Okay, and any lesion here, anything that happens here or any piles here in the lower part of the anal region, they will be very painful. And also you can see that this is one muscle and this is one muscle. This is called internal anal splinter and this is called external anal splinter. There are two muscles that are safeguarding the anal region. So if there is any lesion here, these muscles are going to get contracted so that your anus becomes tight. So it will be very difficult for motion to come out, or because of the tightness there will be lack of healing. The anal canal will not heal, or any lesion in the anal canal or piles in the anal canal will not heal properly because of this contraction of these muscles. So this is the important thing. And coming to the piles, there are piles, you can see these are the different piles. So these are internal piles, external piles. What piles exactly mean is these are the loose veins. So the veins become loose, the veins become flaccid, they become loose and they come into the anal canal. These are all the veins. Veins are the blood vessels. So every part in the body will have arterial supply and venous drainage. Arteries will supply pure blood or oxygenated blood to this area, and veins will carry out the deoxygenated blood. Once the oxygen is used in this area, veins carry back the blood to the heart. So that those are the veins. If that veins become flaccid, if that veins become swollen, so this is called piles. So these are both internal piles, external piles, first degree piles, second degree piles, third degree piles. All the piles are represented here. Because of this piles, because of this irritation, what happens is, so this anal canal gets contracted. So this you have to remember before we move into the Sitz Bath. And coming to the Sitz Bath, what is the main reason we will do the Sitz Bath? First one is relaxing the anal splinter. So when you do the Sitz Bath, the anal splinter will relax so that you feel comfortable. And also it reduces the pain inflammation, whatever the damage in the anal region. So if there will be lot of pain, there will be lot of tenderness, the pain will be so severe that you cannot sit, you cannot walk, you cannot stand. Even such type of pain will be relieved with this Sitz Bath. Next thing is cleaning the area. The anal region is full of germs and full of bacteria, virus or protozoans. So that to keep the anal region clean, this Sitz Bath helps you. And also whenever you take the Sitz Bath, there will be lot of blood flow into that region. When there is lot of blood flow into that anal region, you will get lot of nutrients in the anal region, and also you will get lot of oxygen supply. Because of the rich nutrients, rich oxygen supply, there will be lot of antibodies or immune cells reaching that area, and also there will be lot of blood flow. Because of this, the healing will be quick, the healing will be fast. These are the reasons you do the Sitz Bath for piles. And let's understand what is the right way of doing the Sitz Bath. So how to do the Sitz Bath? Sitz Bath is very easy. What you have to do is you have to take a tub, so comfortable size tub. So it should not be too small so that you are not able to sit in it. It should be of comfortable size. In that you pour 3 to 4 inches of water. What kind of water you have to pour? The water should be warm. It should not be too cold or it should not be too hot. It should be comfortable for you. If it is too cold or too hot, you will feel discomfort or the pain may increase. In that, use this specialty liquid. This is pile specialty liquid. You have to pour 25 drops of this pile specialty liquid into that water. So this is available with us. This liquid you have to pour 25 drops, and you have to sit in that for 15 to 20 minutes. What is the importance of this piles liquid? This is very important. It helps you in healing, it helps you in cleaning, it helps you in reducing the pain. There are a lot of properties with this piles liquid. You can take the liquid with us along with the treatment. And coming to what to do after the Sitz Bath is completed, take a fresh towel and clean the area very clearly, so that there will not be any bacteria or any virus around it, so that it is disinfected. How many times you have to do the Sitz Bath? You can do the Sitz Bath for 3 to 5 times a day, and for 15 to 20 minutes per day. For each cycle you can do the Sitz Bath. And when you have to do, so you have to do the Sitz Bath when you have pain, or even before the surgery. If you are going for the surgery, before the surgery you can do, even after the surgery you can do, even when you are taking the homeopathic treatment with us, you can do the Sitz Bath. Sitz Bath is very important. It helps you in lot of ways. And coming to the treatment of the piles, Fidicus Homeopathy is specialty clinic in piles. So you have two types of consultation. One is online consultation and in-person consultation. For online consultation, wherever you are in this world, so or in India, we have a lot of patients from US, UK, France, and also from lot of places in India, North India, South India, East, West, every place we have. You can take an audio call with us or video call with us, which is your preference. You can share the reports, whatever reports are there with you, you can share the reports. And also if any further reports are needed, we will let you know what reports need to be done, what examinations or what test needs to be done, and you can share those reports with us. We will be shipping the medicine to your doorstep. So if it is within India or within Andhra and Telangana, it will take 2 to 3 days. If it is anywhere in India, it will take 3 days. If it is US, it is going to take 4 days. Any country other than US is going to take 5 days. So but we will be treating the patient both in acute condition and chronic condition throughout the world. Or else if you want to meet us in person, so in person consultation is available. Inquire us with the nearest branch. You can come to the branch and take the treatment. Why you need to consider Fidicus Homeopathy? Because Fidicus Homeopathy has a specialty clinic for piles. So and the reason you have to consult us is we have the highest success rate for the piles than compared to any other homeopathic doctor available near you or any other homeopathic corporate hospital. We have the highest success rate for piles because our doctors have high knowledge and they are competent, they are experienced, they are passionate, and they have a lot of experience in treating the piles both online and in-person modes. So we have the highest success rate, and also the medicines which we use, we don't compromise on the quality of the medicines. You get the best medicine available on the planet for the piles. That's the reason we have the highest success rate both in online and in-person mode for treating the piles. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.